Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe share with a friend. Those all really do help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is a pretty straightforward. It is a foldable knife, which is great for camping, giving up a gift, opening packages, etc. The particular knife that I'm going to share with you is by a company called Jellas. It comes in this little plain box. They have a lot of different models, but once you open it up, you're going to get a little instruction manual, which you can really recycle. It's pretty straightforward. You're also going to get a sharpening stone. I think this is called a Whetstone or Wheatstone. I'm sure somebody can help me out in the comments and tell me if the spelling of that. But essentially, this will sharpen the blade if you when it gets dull. And then it's going to come in this little carrying case, and then it has a little belt buckle here. Unsnap it, and then this is the knife itself. It has like the handle here. It's got this carbon like looking coating. It's not a real carbon though. And then it has this kind of faux wood looking 3D printed type texture. On the end here, it has a little nub for a window breaker. And then obviously, if you want to put it on, clip onto your pants, it has that. But yeah, so this is the blade itself. It is a stainless steel blade. The blade itself is about 3.5 inches, and then the handle itself is about 4 3/4 inches in total. The weight is really, really light. It's about 5.3 ounces in weight, so it's not very, very heavy. And then on the front here, you can see it's got a serrated blade and then the sharp side. So it's got very options, which makes it great for camping. But most of the time when I use this, I use it to open packages. It was probably a little overkill. I also like to bring it when we go camping in case we need a knife, which is typically the case. It does have a safety feature where it locks open, so you're not going to accidentally slice your hand or anything like that. And to close it, there's this little safety piece in here, which you just push in, and then you can then close it, and then you're good to go again. So yeah, pretty straightforward knife. It's by all means, it's great, like I said, for a gift or camping. It is not what I would say a collector grade knife if you're into collecting things, but it is very versatile. It's very affordable, very sturdy, and for that reason, I like it. And like I said, I'll include a link that will take you to Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself, see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that kind of fun stuff. Feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.